guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to review a hair care product. You guys have been loving my last hair video, so I'm back with another one. Today we are going to review the KRISTEN ESS hair gloss. I don't know if you guys have heard of this, but it's been out for quite a while, so you guys have probably seen this in Target. So today I decided to review it for you guys just to see what it actually does and how my hair looks after I use it. Before we get started with this video, if you guys are new here on my channel, hello, my name is Pamela. Subscribe down below. I'm going to show you guys how to apply it as well as the before and after of my hair after using this product. So if you guys are interested in seeing what this actually does, if it does anything at all, just keep on watching. So let me tell you guys a little bit about this product before we actually start using it. This is the KRISTEN ESS hair gloss. It's actually an in-shower treatment that nourishes strands and restores vibrancy. So I'm guessing this is really good for dull hair, like if your hair isn't shiny, it doesn't really have dimension. This product is really good to use in between salon treatments. So if you're used to getting like conditioning treatments or toning your hair, this is really good to use in between. It says it will not lift or lighten and it will not cover any gray hair. But it does last for 3 to 4 weeks depending on how often you shampoo. So for me, I shampoo once a week, so it should last a long time on my hair. Obviously my hair is pretty black, so it's not ever brassy, but I do notice that my hair gets really dull when it's dry. I mean, that's kind of why I wanted to try this, and it boosts your shine. So I have really healthy hair, but sometimes the color of it looks kind of dull. It says it's shine boosting, deep conditioning, it's silicone free, ammonia free. It's safe for color treated and keratin treated hair. It's used for all hair types. It also says that it will make your hair softer and more manageable. Keeps color from fading by preventing hard water minerals from being deposited onto the hair and scalp. Interesting. So yeah, I've been seeing this every time I go to Target. I always walk by it. I think it retails for about $15. That's the only reason why I didn't buy it, because I'm like, I don't even know what it does, and so why would I pay $15? But here I am trying it for you guys. So I'm just gonna see what it actually does to my hair and if it's actually worth buying or not, especially for long dark hair that is not color treated at all. Don't really do anything to it, just get keratin treatments. If it does make a really big difference, then I'll probably use this more often. So we'll see what this does. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how I applied this product. Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how I applied this KRISTEN ESS hair gloss. So I got 2 boxes because I do have really thick long hair. So I just took my hair down out of the ponytail, and as you guys can see, it's super tangled, very dry. I'm just brushing it out with a wide tooth comb just to make sure all the product spreads around evenly. I'm just showing you guys what my hair looks like after a week without washing it. My hair is super frizzy on the ends and really dry. So my hair is actually pretty dull. I know it's hard to tell because my hair is so dark, but this is proof I really do need a transformation. I highly recommend you put on a shirt that you don't really care about for this treatment, and since this is an in-shower treatment, obviously you have to have clean shampooed hair. So here I'm just re-wetting my hair because it dries very fast, especially when it's sitting in a towel. So I'm just re-wetting all of my hair so it's dripping wet. And then I'm going to section off my hair in half just because I do have a lot of hair. I think I'm going to use 1 box for the bottom and 1 box for the top. So here I'm just sectioning it off and tying up the top portion. And then I'm going to comb through the rest of the hair just to make sure there's not any tangles or anything like that. And then I'm going to slip on the gloves for this. You want to act like it's a hair dye, so use the gloves just in case it might stain. And then I'm going to add the gloss into the developer and shake it up really well. So when I applied the product, it is very watery, so it's kind of hard to not be messy with this process, but I'm just dripping it all over a large section of hair and just rubbing it in as I go. So for this, I didn't really section off my hair at all. I just grabbed a huge piece of hair and put the gloss all over it and just made sure it was really, really saturated. Then I combed out my hair one more time to make sure it was all even and repeated these steps all around my head. Guys, so this is the mess I made using this hair gloss. It says it's not hair dye, so it doesn't stain, but it kind of looks like it would stain. I made such a mess, like down here, on the walls, so I really hope it comes out. A little stain on my neck, so I'm gonna use some alcohol and rubbing alcohol to see if it will help it. I'm sure it's a mess too. So if you do try it, make sure you treat it like it's a hair dye, because it says it's not, but it is. So after I wash my hair, I usually use a hair mask overnight. I love this one by Garnier. It smells so good. So I just got out the shower, rinsed all of the product out of my hair. So this is what my hair looks like after I got out the shower. I can't really tell a difference just yet, just because my hair is wet. But then I add the mask and let it sit overnight. So this is what my hair looks like the next day after it's all dry and straightened. I feel like this is the only way to really see if it really worked or not. I really felt like my hair didn't really change in texture. Like, it didn't feel softer or anything like that. I do feel like it changed the deepness of the color of my hair. So it did look more vibrant and more deeper, if that makes sense. The gloss also gave my hair like a warm undertone, so this is something I only can see in the sunlight. And the same thing goes for the shine. I could only see it in the sunlight as well, so I couldn't really tell if my hair was shinier or not, but I do feel like it was a tad bit healthier. However, if you guys see a difference between the first clip and these clips right here, let me know if you guys see a difference at all, because maybe I just don't see it. So let me tell you guys my thoughts on this product. I personally did not really see a drastic change in my hair at all. I did notice like little changes that I didn't really think that were really necessary. My hair did look a little bit deeper. It did look a little bit of a warmer tone, especially in the sunlight. So I do feel like it gave me more vibrancy and it gave me a little bit more body as far as the color goes. I already have pretty dark hair, but this kind of made it a little bit more deeper, if that makes sense. Especially in the root area. It made it somewhat shinier. Lighting that I have right now and being in the sun is the only time I can tell my hair is super shiny. But other than that, I didn't really feel much of a difference in my hair. Like, my hair felt the same. It doesn't feel softer or more manageable. It just felt like I washed my hair. For this being $15, I honestly, personally, don't think it's worth it on dark, natural hair. However, I do see this working really well on color treated hair or hair that's more on the drier side from being treated. So I do recommend it if you do want to make your hair look a little bit healthier. If you have lighter hair, that this will work really well. I don't really have dimension in my hair to really see any type of difference. It's kind of hard to tell just because my hair is all one solid color. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys actually seen a difference between my before and after, I'll put it together side by side for you guys so you can see, and leave me a comment down below if you guys see an actual difference or if this product is actually worth it and maybe I'm just not seeing it. I don't think it personally done anything drastic to my hair, so I probably won't be buying this product again. But if you guys have color treated hair, I would say give this product a try and see how it works for you. Let me know about your experience in the comments down below. This is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair gloss review. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and let me know any video suggestions you guys want to see here on my channel in the comments. If you guys are new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell notification so you don't miss my next upload. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.